Yeah, it's an interesting looking bird over there. He's quiet. Let's see if we can get a little closer. He's just sitting there. Just sitting there. Yes, he is. Sitting there without an issue. Quiet. We gotta be quiet. Try not to scare him. He's certainly just sitting there. See how close we can get to him. He's certainly just sitting there. Certainly so. What in the haymaker? It's a leaf! Not a bird, it's a leaf! Oh my goodness! Leaf, not a bird. I have been bamboozled and misled, and so have you. What an interesting boat we're sitting in. And quite frankly, this isn't a boat, this is a driveway. There you have it.